In part 1, I told you movement during the day can fix sleep. But here's what I didn't tell you. Some exercises that look healthy secretly destroy your sleep. And some of the smallest movements you make every day are actually the most powerful. This is part 2. And trust me, you don't want to skip this. Welcome back to Better Sleep. I'm Dr. Sleep. Let's finish what we started. Quick recap: consistent daily movement tells your brain when to sleep, but not all movement is created equal. It's all about timing. High-intensity workouts are great for health and fitness. But too close to bed, they spike cortisol, can keep you wired for hours. Evening spin class, late-night HIIT, heavy lifting at 9 p.m. Your nervous system stays in fight or flight mode, deep sleep never comes. Your body temperature rises during intense exercise. That is great during the day, but at night, your body needs to cool down to fall asleep. Late workouts keep you hot, keep you alert, keep you staring at the ceiling. So what should you do instead? The answer might surprise you. It is called micro-exercising, movement that you do during everyday tasks. Using everyday items as your exercise equipment. Example, walking from your car, sounds silly, right? But what if I told you to isolate and flex your glutes with every step, and instead of parking as close as you can, try parking a bit further away, so you walk a little longer. Suddenly, a 30-second walk becomes 30 seconds of muscle activation. Or when you carry shopping bags, don't just drag them, use them as improvised weights. Bicep curls, lateral raises while you walk. You just turned a chore into a strength workout, and your sleep will thank you. Your muscles don't know if you are pumping weights or carrying shopping. Subscribe, like, and share our channel. At Better Sleep, yes. They only know tension, release, repeat. That is how strength is built. Waiting for coffee, flex your calves, standing in line. Squeeze your core. Stronger muscles mean better metabolic health, better hormone regulation, which directly translates to deeper, more restorative sleep. You don't need more time, you need more planning. But let me tell you about the 3 exercises that are great for fitness and health, but if your timing is wrong, they can ruin your sleep. 1. Late night running, especially outdoors with blue streetlights. Running spikes cortisol and keeps your core temperature high for up to 4 hours. 2. Heavy deadlifts or squats after 7 p.m. These recruit your entire nervous system. Great for strength, terrible for sleep onset. 3. Hot yoga late at night. Heat is stimulating. Your body needs a temperature drop to fall asleep. Compare that to what I just showed you, flexing while walking. Shopping bag curls. Those small movements don't spike cortisol, they don't overheat you. They just stimulate your muscles. Improve blood flow, regulate your nervous system. And, over weeks, your shape changes, your fitness improves. Without burnout. Carrying a child, that is a moving weight. Flex and brace your core with every step. Carrying laundry upstairs. That is a loaded carry. One of the best functional exercises. Walking with a heavy work bag, switch sides, isolate each shoulder. These micro movements add up to hundreds of extra muscle contractions each day. Studies show that people who fidget and move frequently throughout the day have significantly lower stress hormones and better sleep efficiency. So here is your new daily routine. No gym required. In the morning, this is when you can do intense exercise, or take a walk outside. While walking, flex your glutes and calves with every step. When you are sitting, every time you stand up, do 5 standing calf raises. While you are grocery shopping, carry bags like dumbbells. Curls while you walk to the car. In the evening, tone it right down, gentle stretching and slow walking only. Nothing intense. Respect your body, it needs that wind-down window. Most people either exercise too hard too late or not at all. The sweet spot is consistent low-intensity movement during the day. All harder workouts before 3 p.m. That's the formula. From early afternoon, you don't have to overdo the weights, just enough to feel tension. 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps of shopping bag curls 2 to 3 a week beats one brutal gym session. Even sitting at your desk, flex your quads, hold for 10 seconds. Relax and repeat. This pumps blood back to your heart, lowers blood pressure and calms your nervous system. Your muscles get stronger, your metabolism improves, your sleep deepens. And over months your muscle tone improves dramatically. Without stepping into a gym.
Remember part 1? We talked about consistent movement. This is that movement. The sweet spot is consistent, low-intensity movement during the day.
You already walk, you stand and sit, you already carry things. Just remind yourself to flex.
Just add intention. Just add isolation. Just add the flex to all your movements. Do this for 2 weeks. Your sleep will transform. Your energy will transform. I'm Dr. Sleep. Sleep better, live better, be better. Tune in to the next series.